Oh, this one's heavy for me, Avery. You think it's heavy, but it's
Do what, Nate?
This one was tangled up.
Okay.
You think it is, but it's not. I got a pink box. I got a pink box. Guys, it's... Hey! Get you up! Come on, we could have a box in our tree. Go! Oh! Mom! I got one. Come on. I got two.
Well, tell me which ornaments you picked, guys. Put up.
I chose a glass one. I would choose a glass one. I got a red one.
This is Nicholas's.
Oh, no. Whoa, look, Dad. Look what you bought.
You like it? You know what it is?
Mom, why did we not hang on
Music.
That's right.
It's all about
Hey, guys, can y'all sing a Christmas song?
Start here, children. And start here. We jingle bell, jingle all the way. Oh, this is going to be hard.
Very good, guys.
I got the Santa one. I got the
Boxes that Daddy went and got.
Hey! If you know.